In the second video of speech marks and inverted commas, we're going to look at this sentence, which is broken down into two parts. We're going to read it and we're going to punctuate it together so that you have a full understanding of how to punctuate a sentence that's broken into two parts. It says, "It is going to be sunny today," replied John, comma, "and I am going to buy an ice cream, full stop." What does John say? This is where the speech marks go. He says, "It," with a capital I, "is going to be sunny today," comma. He's going to continue to speak, so we don't have a full stop. We add the speech marks here, because this is the first set of his speech. Replied John, comma. He continues to speak here, and now this is the second set of speech, so it does not require a capital letter. "And I am going to buy an ice cream," full stop, and we close it off with our speech marks. I hope you now fully understand how to punctuate a single sentence with speech marks and a sentence that's broken into two parts with two separate speech marks.